Hi, I'm Shruti from Information Management ISEC in Chennai. I'm here with Akul Sharma, the Organizing Committee President and Engagement with ISEC for Project Footprints in Balakalaka 2013. Hi Akul.
Hi, Shruti.
So, all of you must have heard about this life campaign. I'm curious what it's going to be about, what it actually means. I'm sure you must be also very confused on what it's going to be about. So let's ask the man himself about who's created this life campaign, what it's going to be about. Okay, so how good do you feel by being the organizing committee president engagement with ISEC for Project Footprints?
So it's been a really good experience so far. Like Shruti just said, we're trying this new concept of a Leave Your Footprint campaign this year. And it has been really challenging so far because, it almost feels like I'm running a mini OC over here, a 3-member OC, because all the planning that goes into making a pre-event happen and planning to make it self-sustainable and all that. So it almost feels like a OC within an OC. And honestly, I've never worked with designs before. I mean, what the marketing department does, I've never done that. And according to the structure, OCVP designs comes under EWA. So that part of it's really challenging for me, but it is a really good experience. It has been a really good experience so far. Yeah.
You get to do a lot of things.
Right.
Yeah. So, how has the OC work been going on so far?
Right. So things haven't exactly gone like what we had planned for them to happen. But that was probably because this whole new Leave Your Footprints campaign that we're trying out this time. It was probably because of that. Because even until a week back, we were still at the planning stage. I mean, things were still kind of vague for us. But things are, it's all starting to fall in place. I mean, we're more sure about what we're going to do and what we're not going to do. So yeah, things are falling into place.
Nice. So, managing with volunteers is a huge task, and you know what happened with Light the Nights, right? So you had to work with volunteers, get volunteers, and engage them in proper work. So how are you planning on getting volunteers for this event, and planning to engage them properly into what kind of project we are doing here?
Right. So we are in talks with volunteer organizations, volunteer groups across the city, and apart from that, we are doing the whole online campaign like what was done last year. We are following the same procedure this time as well. We're doing this whole online campaign. I mean, that's what the Leave Your Footprints campaign is all about. And apart from that, we are actually going out there talking to people about the Leave Your Footprints campaign, about Project Footprints, about Balakalaka, and we're actually trying to get them interested and to volunteer for the cause.
So we've heard this something called Life campaign, LYF campaign, and not LIFE campaign. So what is this thing? What is this Life campaign, and can you explain to me about this campaign, this Life campain, in your own words?
Okay, so see, basically the idea of it was, we'll collect their footprints on a piece of cloth, and based on how many footprints we've collected at the end of the campaign, we have, it serves as a measure of how many people have been able to reach out to. For us, it serves as that, a measure of how many people have been able to reach out to over there. But for the people who are actually giving us their footprint, I mean, it's a new concept, as in they've never done this before.
Yeah.
So people are curious, they want to know why you're doing this, why you're collecting footprints. As in, we had gone to Besant Nagar beach just, I think, 2 days back, and we tried this there for the first time. We went out there, we spoke to people about Project Footprints, about Balakalaka, and we told them that we had wanted a footprint, we had wanted their footprint. And this really got them thinking. I mean, they were curious, they were wondering why we were doing this thing of collecting a footprint.
So then they thumbprint and all that,
but footprint is something new. So people were actually asking us, more questions. They were actually curious. They were asking us what this idea of collecting footprints was, and then we told them that there was this Project Footprints that we're doing, and how we were telling them how we bring down interns from across the world to go to NGOs and do art-related development programs for them, and that got them really interested.
Yeah.
So it is just another idea to to get them to volunteer for the cause and show their support by giving us their footprint. And these footprints that we collect, we plan to make a big picture out of it. I mean, this barefoot rally that you have heard about, we plan to make a big picture as in an artwork. At the end point of the rally, we want to put up this artwork using all these footprints that we're collecting. So, hence, the Leave Your Footprint campaign.
So, how many footprints have you collected so far? I mean, Besant Nagar beach is a pretty crowded place. You've got like so many footprints, right?
Yes. See, it was just the first time that we were actually,
Went on like an OC.
as in, no, this was the first time that we were actually putting the idea
Into action.
into action. This is the first time that we are actually doing it. So we were there for about 2 hours at Besant Nagar beach, and in 2 hours we managed to collect about 50 footprints, around 50 footprints.
That's a pretty good number.
Pretty good number. And we are charging people, as in we're charging them for giving us their footprints, and it actually is working. People are more than happy to donate towards the cause, and we have collected around, say, 1,700 to 1,800 rupees in those 2 hours that we were, collecting footprints there at Besant Nagar.
So, okay, so we've heard about this barefoot rally. And honestly, I've been for so many rallies. I've always heard about, people going with chappals and all that, and just going about for some AIDS awareness or breast cancer awareness and all that. But honestly, what is this barefoot rally? What are you trying to do with this?
Okay, so just imagine if one of your friends invites you to a barefoot rally that he's hosting. Now, if it was any other normal rally, you might have actually said yes, immediately. But since it's a barefoot rally, there are so many things that you have to actually consider. I mean, it's a barefoot rally. The roads are going to be dirty. It's the summer season. The roads are going to be hot. So there are so many things that you'll actually think about first. But that's the whole idea of it, to get people thinking, to let them know that while they are there living their lives in luxury, there are so many people there, and so many children out there who even lack the basic amenities. That's the whole point of it. And the idea of the rally itself, that's the idea of the barefoot rally. But the idea of the rally itself is to get people to support the cause of, the idea of a Bala Kalakar and a Project Footprints, and to let other people know that the whole solution for this, the solution for, all these underprivileged children lacking amenities, to give Project Footprints and Bala Kalakar as a solution to this. That's the whole idea of it, to get people out there to support the cause and actually, engage with the project.
That was really nice. That was a really good idea, and I wish you all the very best for your future prospects. I really hope the rally becomes a huge success, because it's one of a kind, and the life campaign, it comes out really well. Thank you so much, Akul, for your precious time. And so this is me, Shruti, signing off at Akul's place with Vikram as the cameraman. So thank you so much for